Okay, another video here. 1994 Impala SS 350 LT1. Pretty nice car. A set of Riddlers on it. Black with the silver interior. Gray, silver, same thing, right? Aftermarket steering wheel. It's a beautiful car. This thing's got low miles too, guys. Throughout the video, I'll be showing you all of that. Be listening to the motor, checking the paint, seeing how it runs and drives. Every car on the lot's got one of these test drive videos too. All you gotta do is go to maplemotors.com, click the car you like. It'll show you all of the inventory that's available. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. This thing is super nice. With the cold air. Oh, missing something there, missing a little tray. Missing something here too, I guess your cigarette lighter. Don't need that no more, do you? Whoa, glove box a little messed up too. Hey, we check it all though, look at the dash. That looks all right. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I haven't tried it. Turn signals, both sides. Showing 52,000 miles on the dash. The lens is not doing that. That is flashing because of my camera, not the dash. It's actually solid. Seats are in great shape. Interior's in good shape. Headliner's clean. Well, all we have left is the radio, which is playing, in the horn, which is not honking. I didn't think they hooked that up. All right, well, let's hit the road, see how it runs and drives. Well, I've driven many of these, but not this one. So this is the first time I'm gonna take this one down the road. We'll keep an eye on everything from the engine temperature to the oil pressure to any of the lights. It looks like we do got an airbag light. I'm gonna say it's because the steering wheel's different. Speaking of different, this steering wheel, being that billet, it is hot, man. Of course, it's been baking in the sun all day out here in the parking lot. So that'd be different if it was sitting in your garage. Here we go. Speedo on the dash seems accurate. This thing is straight going down the road. Look at that. Tight steering. Get down to that throttle. She's smooth. Run her up to 60. Hit the brakes. Brakes are smooth. Running and driving wise, you got it going on. I can dig this one. I like it. Not bad. Suspension's nice and smooth too. We got plenty of gas. Good deal. All right, guys. Well, you know the drill. We're going to pull in here and get some outside shots, light up the undercarriage. And of course, we'll check everything out with picking out the flaws here at the end. Good deal. I will be back. Okay, it's time to rock and roll. Let's head on back to the lot. So far, everything's checking out on this car. Great oil pressure, good engine temperature. It's running and driving good. It's nice and smooth. Steering wheel cooled down. It's all good. Let's roll. It's just quiet, smooth. Somebody out of state tags heading this way. I'm trying to hit this bump up here at least 30. We're at 30 now. That's the speed limit through here. Bump. Very smooth. Checked out. Tell you what, we're pulling back into Maple Motors here. This is a nice ride. It shows the 52,000 miles. It's ready to be driven. Be sure to check us out, maplemotors.com. That's where you're going to see all the test drive videos. And picking out the flaws is coming up right now. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Let's walk this ride. Coming around the front end. Not too bad. Headlights, pretty clean. Down the side here. Some imperfections on the trim, but flip it over. Little scuff here. And over the back. A little dirt. I can already tell you this is going to be a nice car. Upgraded emblems. Front window looks great. Very easy walk around. Got some sap on top. Needs to be scrubbed off. A little bit of sap, but other than that, looking all right. Coming up to this back bumper. Little wave marks on that trim there. See it on the edge too. There we go. I was like, I knew that come down. It felt like it was stuck. Trunk is massive. Plenty of room. Put your golf clubs or 5 buddies golf clubs. Have a crew. spot right there. Trunk's a little off on this edge. That line too. Look at this side. Same thing going on. A little bit off there on that edge. Coming down this side. A little dirt. Ripples on the trim. Midsection. Dent right here in the door. Just sap on the roof. We got little sap spots. Need to be scrubbed off. Chip on the front windshield. Well, interior time. Let's see what we can find. Door panel. Looks great. It's clean. Chip up top. Run your jams. Looking good. Seat on this one. Rip in the middle there. Carpet and floor is going pretty clean. Dash panel also pretty clean. It's a very nice car. Sucks it's got that little spot. I'd almost see if somebody could fix it. I've got a very low mileage car that has a little tiny spot like that in the seat. And I thought about getting it fixed. This one over here, same thing. Might as well get that one fixed. Little spot there. Looks like the only spot in that whole seat. On the door panel there's a little spot too. She starts up good. Cold air. Engine is running smooth. A little rippled up here in the corner under the hood. Something happened here. Been down with it. Clutch up marks on this corner. See, it's a little bit lower over here. I think they had a little ding bumped into something just on the corner of that hood. Not bad for a 94 model though. Still got some sap on the hood. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any part of the car that you need more information on, I have no problem sending that to you. Send it straight to your cell phone. But first, look at maplemotors.com. We have 100 detailed pictures. We have financing, we have shipping, and every single car on the lot has a walk around video just like this at maplemotors.com. It can't be easier than that. One website for all. I'll see you in the next one.